Ukrainian drawn thread embroidery Merezhka Poltavska by Yvette Stanton is a small book with just 48 pages. However, they are jam-packed. There are historical examples in the front of the book. There are 2 learning samplers and 7 beautiful projects. This book is unusual in that it shows all of the step-by-steps with both a diagram and a photograph, making it very clear. SD said of this book, "This is one of the best illustrated books I've ever seen. All the stitches and all the diagrams are shown with both an illustration and a photo. I've never seen anyone do that before, and I have to say it's very effective and makes each stitch quite clear."